What's going on, guys? I'm back here for another video, and this section of the video, the audio actually got a little bit corrupted. So I guess I'm doing voiceover right now, but yeah. So today we're just gonna be opening up some packs. I'm pretty sure I opened up 2 of the Elite pack bundles and then 1 of the 12 pack with the Iron bundle. So, if you want to skip to when the actual video sound comes back, it's around 2 minutes and 58 seconds, somewhere around there, I think. So, if you want to just skip forward, you didn't miss much. There was not any crazy pulls. But yeah, talk to you in the video. Peace. Old. Man, these packs are kind of trash, not gonna lie. Power up, that'd be a good one. Brandon Brooks. I don't know if that's good or not. It might be, just because I think he's got 86 cards, something like that. So it might be decent. And okay. Still looking for my first Elite, but it is what it is. Yeesh. Nothing but golds and silver. Yeah, I'm really glad we got those Elite packs, because these ain't looking too hot. Hey, here we go. Chris Godwin, not bad. That's what I'd like to see. Give me one of those in each pack. And we're back to the golds. Alright. Hey, another Elite. Only at 80 Alvin Kamara. And let's give me that back. Another Elite. Jimmy G. Power up. I think he's on like 2 or 3K. Alright, so packs are starting to get a little better. I'm looking for over 80. Oh. We actually only got 1 good iron pack, so let's hope it's good. Not gonna lie, those weren't that great. But at least we still have these elite packs. Guaranteed 21 elites, so technically 23 because it's the opposite. Hey, 84 OBG. Not that cool. Ooh, 2 in 1 pack. 81 Key Hicks. Yeah, these packs are much better. I should, well, I mean, I already used up both of them. I guess I kind of bought a different one. Elite. 84 Joey Bosa, alright. Another elite. 2 84s in 1 pack. Yeah, I'm liking these elite packs. They're paying out nice right now. 81 Dory Jackson. There's a bit of a stinker, but can't get great in every pack, I guess. Elite. Ooh, a double elite at least. I think most there might be worth something just because I think he gets like 89 speed, I want to say. Gold. Another gold. Well, Legends card. Just a little legend, but I'll take it. Dan Marino. Silver. Gold. Another Legends. Come on, let me get a full legend. I'm gonna take a full legend. Which one? I don't really know which one I want, because I kind of have most of them. I guess I'll take the Merlin Oslo. I forget what his last name is, but the Merlin, even the tackle on the Rams, I'll take him full legend. We need a new D tackle. Power up. Release. Gronk's out packs. That's the thing. I would be more hype if Gronkowski was still in packs, but he just came out this morning. Another legend card, so I might be able to do that set. I think I only need 2 more for it. Two elites. How many more packs do we have? 11? Alright, so this is about halfway through the elite packs. Here, gold. Another gold elite. Dominican 2. And that's gonna be it. Got a superstar card. Brandon Graham, he's only an 80 this year. I feel like he should be much higher. Come on, I want a big elite, like an 87, 88 elite bowl. Something that's nice. And 81 Brandon Cooks. Not exactly what I was asking for, but okay, Dory Jackson. Yeah, so packs are starting to cool down a bit. Elite. Mike Lynch. Oh, a double elite. You guys are both lows, but can't be mad at 2 elites in a pack. If I get 3 in a pack, that's where we're talking. Ooh, another legend, so yeah, I'm gonna Merlin Olsen, that's who I need. I want his full legend. I haven't looked at stats though, so before I say that, I should probably look at his stats, see if he's actually much of an upgrade, but I assume he is. 85 David DeCastro, not a bad pull. Packs are starting to heat up. My superstar. Take all the superstar gold to elite. And only an 80. That's a bit of a no. Superstar card. And there it is. It's the last legend. So I will be. Oh, and another elite. Not a bad pack right here. But I should have enough legend pieces to complete that set. Alright, so I have 2 more elite packs. Silver, gold, silver, elite, Preston Smith. Actually, I think Preston Smith might be worth something just because he's got that superstar card. When I think about it, so that actually better than I think it is. Ooh, Marlon Humphrey. This pack's pretty good too. Alright, so let's get into my tapas. 285 plus elites. Hopefully I get full legend out of one of these. What? Okay, not full legend, but I mean it's above an 85, so you can't really complain that much. I do already have his full legends. I don't know if I'll do this set. And ooh, okay, 88 Michael Thomas. I mean I take him obviously he's an 88, but I think he's like one of the worst 88s, just because to wide receiver, it's not really position in need, I guess. But I'm gonna go over and do that legend set. Exchange. Yeah. I might be overspending on this, but I mean I didn't spend any coins, so I guess it's just pulls. If you want me to do a video where I do about, I'd say 5 of these sets, just comment down below, and I can do about 5. As you can see, I got 2 million coins. I can definitely do 5 of these sets, see what we get out of them. I don't think you can pull full legends in them, but I guess there's only one way to tell if you open them. So, alright, let's see what we get out of this pack. I want to see the light animation because that's going to be 87 plus, I think. Actually, I think I might be guaranteed 87 plus. 88 Dan Marino. Honestly, that's probably the best card you could pull from that. So, I'll take it. Like, pretty good. Alright, let me see. Let's see how much these cards are going for. As you can see, my team's pretty stacked. Don't mind that. Sort this by elites. Alright, so Dan Marino is 130k-ish, so that's definitely good. Yeah, I think I would have made coins if instead of selling those cards. Michael Thomas is okay. Alright, yeah, 130k still. I'll take it. I probably won't use them on my team, so I probably will sell them. But just because I'm about to get the Julio Jones, because I think tomorrow or maybe Friday, there's the. I'm pretty sure it's the LTD for second part of the Mutt Superstar program. So I'm gonna try to pick him up. Bobby Bell, 90k. I'll take it. It's not a bad pull. Then, what cards are so top? Oh yeah, Preston Smith. I think he might be worth something. 33k. So he's a little bit more than that normally too, so it's not bad. Mike McGlinchey also has one. So I'm not sure how much he goes for. He goes for more than normal 81, so not bad. I didn't even see. I forgot I got David the Cash. How much does he go for? 70k? I would take it. So we're actually making a bunch of coins today. Definitely gonna be over 2 mil. Most of it I think might be something. Yeah, even he's over normal price for 81. And I forget if I pulled anyone else that's big. I guess Joey Bosa. I guess I'll look as that. Or his price. 40k. Alright. And then I doubt OBJ is crazy expensive. Yeah. Alright. So that's gonna be it for this pack opening. If you liked it, just like and subscribe down below. You know what to do all that stuff. And I'll show you him now, I guess. I'm gonna work to do a. Where do you go? I don't know. Oh, it's because the power-ups are technical gold. Alright, today I'm gonna try play a Lamar gameplay today. I mean, I played a couple games with him. He's very good. I mean, as expected, it's Lamar Jackson and Madden with a skateboard. So you can tell how good he's gonna be. But yeah, looking for gameplay later today. And that's gonna be it for today. And peace.